The WowShipping Pinpoint update just arrived, complete with a fresh new look. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through one of the most practical use cases so you can see exactly what's new and how it works. To begin, here's a quick overview. I'll be working with 2 countries, and the shipping cost will be calculated based on cart weight for each region, exactly as shown here. Now, let's jump into creating the shipping rule. You can now access the table rate shipping section directly from the WooCommerce menu, which makes navigation much simpler. As you can see, I've already selected the shipping zone, and for this demo, I've also enabled the expected delivery time feature. You have 2 choices for calculating rates, using carriers or setting the rates manually. For this example, I'll go with manual calculation. First, I'll add a condition for the US region. I'll define the cart weight range and select the country, just like in the use case overview. Next, I'll do the same for the UK region. Here's a quick tip. The copy function inside the condition settings is a huge time saver. Instead of creating everything from scratch, I can simply duplicate the previous rule and adjust the values. Here are the rest of the shipping price tiers. I've created pricing tiers for the different cart weights, both for the US and the UK. If needed, you can also add display rules or include a handling fee. It's all customizable. Now, let's take a look at how the final shipping price is calculated. Notice how the cost changes based on both the region and the cart weight. For the US region, the shipping price for a 7-kilogram package is $15. And for the UK region, the rate for shipping is $18. That's all. Subscribe to the channel for more updates.